Hello, my name is Robert Harrison, and this is my presentation on everyday assistive technology. In this presentation, I have selected 3 everyday items that we may come across in our daily lives, and I have made suggestions as to how these items could be used as assistive technology devices. I then explain what category of assistive technology they may fall under and what needs they may help to meet. So the first example that I have is a baking sheet. And I propose that this baking sheet could be used as a sort of magnet board. It's obviously a low-tech assistive technology device, and if it was used as a magnet board, for example, we could magnetize pictures of emojis and examples of emotions and states of well-being, and a student or an individual could use that to communicate their current state of well-being if they're not too keen on doing it verbally. They could also be used for some learning activities. There could be magnetized letters, numbers, and math problems that a student could work with or an individual could work with on said baking sheet. So this would meet a lot of manipulative and sensory needs, and it's also very engaging, and it can meet a lot of learning needs, as I have given examples of. The next assistive technology device that I've chosen is a cell phone. This is just something that is used constantly by all the teens that work in my school setting. So rather than fight with them about it, I try and encourage them to use it as an assistive technology device. This is obviously high-tech. In my opinion, with all the apps and with all of the accessibility options on cell phones nowadays, this could literally fit any possible category of assistive technology. It could meet students' needs for communication, for organization, time management, academic skills, emotional regulation. There's an app called Calm that I really like that helps students to it's like a fitness tracking app for emotions and for emotional well-being. So I encourage students in my class to use that as well. Read aloud as far as ebooks and things like that. They can use Google search engines. Again, a cell phone can be very, very useful and beneficial and meet all kinds of needs in the school setting or out of it. Finally, I have chosen the low-tech folder as a assistive technology device. Sometimes in my classroom, even when my kid at home is doing his homework or coloring or something and there's a lot going on, I can set up folders as sort of a privacy wall, and that helps to meet the needs of autonomy and independence for students, especially in the classroom. It can help meet learning needs. It obviously helps with focus and attention and work completion. So these folders could serve as a privacy wall, and that's a very low-tech assistive technology device that could really help out in the classroom setting or even at home, as I suggested. So I hope that you guys got some good ideas and some good examples out of these 3 everyday items, and I look forward to working more with assistive technology throughout this course.